Welcome back to another video. I literally just took this trade. I'm going to be recapping it just to give you guys an idea of my strategy. As you can see, trade ovid. These are the trades I just took and when I entered. Let's go on blank page. Let's give you a little rundown. Let me just take off. Where is it? Executions. Okay. So we can see on NAS on the 1 day, we are overly we're bullish. Like we want to go up. That's 100%. So for the next, I would say, month or so, we are going to be bullish, or whenever we reach this buy side. But the reason I took a short today, as you just saw, is because on the 4 hour, we have not one, two, we have three taps into this buy side. So this just showed like an extreme like top that it was gonna drop. That's why the second I saw that this buy side got taken, I knew that I would have an entry for a short position. So let's rewind it a bit. So let me give you a little example. This is 9:35, so just before market open. We can see that we just tapped into the buy side on the 4 hour, and a higher time frame buy side and sell sides are always more dominant. Right here, we're going to tap into the buy side. We have a fair value gap right here, which is very nice on the 5 minute. Let's check on the 1 minute. We also have another fair value gap. So now let's see how this trade's going to look. We're on the 1 minute now. Very strong break. That's very nice to see. We have a little retest. So right here, I would take an entry. My entry originally was a little late because I always wait for the 5 minute candle to close to have like a for sure confirmation that we're not going to just wick and we're actually going to break through this inversion. And I would target a -2 for the standard deviation. So let's take a trade. Stop loss above the highs. And let's see. Very strong break between past the -1. So in this case, I wouldn't take partials. I'd come down to break even just because I know that since it's a strong break past the -1, I know it's going to continue down to the -2. If it was a little consolidation past the -1, then I would know not to, I would take partials. So let's see. And coming down, little consolidation, but this was a very strong break, so I'm pretty confident that we're going to hit this -2. There you go. So I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video. A little trade recap on the day. And if you want any more videos like this, let me know in the comments. Hit the like, subscribe, and let me know what you want to see next.